Hello and good evening, everyone. It's Brandy. I am coming to you. As you can see, I'm showing you some stuff at the moment. I'm gonna do this video of how I've got my stuff set up, so you can see. There's only one thing that's not completed, and I'll show that to you, and you'll understand why it's not completed just yet. But the rest of this has been moved around, and we're going to start with my desk. I got paperwork and stuff up here, those top two shelves. I keep all my receipts and order forms from my beads, and they go in the very top up there. Here's some beads. Every one of them are color coordinated. I went through my stuff and did that. These, my little beads, they're color coordinated. I'll show you some. This happens to be the red and orange ones that I have here. And now you can see. I put them together, and some yellow. I got some yellow too. Here. I did this because I don't have so much of this color. But there's a lot of them that are full of the same colors. Or I do color coordination with my beads. And the sizes. Like here's some pink that I have all together. Different shades of pink, as you can tell. Some has, a little bit of pink, and some has a lot of pink. So you see, excuse the ugly desk, but when we moved, I had to take over my son's desk so I would have room to store my beads because we moved into a smaller place. Now right here is where I print my own postage labels now. That, by the way, is so much cheaper and easier to do. So if you're sending stuff off to people, I highly recommend it. Now these boxes are my chain. I have to get it out. Every chain I have, it will be in these boxes, minus the little bit I do have in my drawer over here, and I'll show you that. And then my spacers go in these little things here, and my bead caps and all. I get all of my stuff, my containers and things like this here. I'm pointing to it, sorry. From Temu. These are a little pricey, but they are so worth it. Because it makes it easy for me to find what metal I need. Spacer and bead cap, that is. Let me bring this over here so you can see it. I should have had this a little closer, but I didn't. So I have these little bottles, and I keep different things in them that are metals. My jump rings, my tubes, more jump rings, my lobster claws, my clams, all kind of, and I have set up different colors. This one is all silver, and this one over here that you see in the corner that's all gold. And then up here I have bronze and A couple other colors. Rose gold too. And this won't sit because it has another one. There we go. And then I have this little thing here. It has some reading glasses in it, and then it has rulers, tweezers. It also has little razors so I can cut bags open. My lights. I have this one. This one that sits above my mat, and these two hang down towards that gives me the light I use. This is where I hang my phone to record. And honest to God, y'all, I don't have it right now in the house. It's put away. But my gun sits right here as an anchor. Because it won't stay still and hold my phone. It flops over. So I have to have something sitting there. I'm going to have to find a nice little rock that's heavy enough. Because I don't like the idea of my gun just sitting there, you know. But it works. I have grown kids, so they know not to touch it. So, over here I have my toolbox. It's got tools in it. This comes from Lowe's. It costs, the two cost $50 together. I got this little containers here. They're all head pins. This is some head pins and some hooks for earrings. And then this is stuff that needs to be put away. So we'll ignore that for a minute. This is BBB's this month's box, and oh goodness, companion bundle. And then I have my trash can right there, by the way. Excuse it. This has the clasp in them, different types. So over here, this has other metals in it. Okay, now we're going to start with the top drawer that's messy. I will get it fixed, but it has my seed beads in it and stuff. I have them turned upside down so I can see the colors that is in there. Of course, I have to have light a little brighter, but sometimes I have to bring out the flashlight. Those were sitting up until I actually turned them down so I could shut this on it. Okay, here's some more head pins. Here are some earring hooks. Some more metals. A bunch of metals and stuff in there. Okay. Well, this has gemstone focals in it. Right here. This is all that. I have them in bags. I actually fixed them last night, so they'd look better, so I could show this. Now here, and this has got some gemstones. I have different color ribbon, more different types of chains. These are on the spools, so I keep them in here. My metals, focals, silver, gold, same here. Charms. Oh, you can't see. I'm sorry. Charms are right here. more focals are right here. This is just a little junk drawer, or either I have my stuff that I send with gifts to people who buy from me, or to a friend mail. I'll send stickers to them too. The rest of this is, you know, just somewhere to put something that needed to be put away. I got some friend mail I gotta send off. All 4 of those. Can't wait. Alright, now up here I have different types of leather, color, that is. I have pink. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, this ain't the most expensive leather, okay? But I have tested it, and the strength of it it's perfect. So, it's not going to go tearing up in a day. So, it works. I have some more beads right here. I got this from Miss Miranda, as a matter of fact. I don't know where everything comes from. Some things I just remember. Okay, right here is my wire, my stringing wire. There's a couple different types in here, mostly from Soft Flex, so because that's my choice. I have trays that I put projects I want to do on. I have 2 up there that's going to be done this coming week. I even have, and y'all know I don't do this, but I have wire. I don't use wire yet. I need to learn. I have different types. Here I've got a 24 gauge, and I got a 22 gauge, and a 20 gauge. You know, I got several different things. I just got to learn to use it. And I recommend folks, don't be afraid. I mean, I'm kind of a little intimidated. That's it, to using it. I have this little thing here. Gives me sizes of beads if I need to know. Right here, I have this for some other type of, you know, gemstones that I might not know what it is. And this right here. Be the change you want to see in the world. I like to try to live by that. And now, over here, I have my beads. The 2 doors here, that's just where stuff's stored. I'm not even going to open that up right now, so, but that's where all my beads are, along with the ones I have on my desk. And here's Leo. He wants to be famous. He says, I want to be famous. Let me on your video, Mom. And that there, that's Minnie. My son named him Minnie after Leo. Minnie Leo. And then I have a pregnant kitty around here somewhere. I'm not quite sure where she ran off to. But her name's Angel. But anyways, back to the beads. Let's see what else. Oh, okay. So, I also have thank you cards to send out for supporting my business. Although it's not much of a business quite yet, but it's getting there one day. So those are good to have, you know, to send off to people. Those came from Temu if you ever want to get some yourself. I have a box that I keep client addresses in and friends' addresses in over there, the little blue box. And that's about it, y'all. I don't really have nothing else to show you. Not yet. Hope in the future I do. And I want to thank y'all for, you know, supporting my business. For those who buy from me. And I would like to thank you to my friends who support me, to the strangers who support me, that I hope, you know, maybe one day we can be friends too, because friendship is needed in this world. So, that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. Again, thank y'all. And if you have any questions, please let me know. If you want to know the link to something, if I can remember it, I will send it to you. If you want to know anything else, please feel free to ask. And I will answer you as soon as possible. Thank you all, and you all have a wonderful late night. Bye-bye.